Okay, guys. So I just gave my cat catnip. He's confused. I don't know what. Hey, Lucifer. Lucifer. Lucy. Hey.
I'm gonna give you some belly rubs.
And then this. Here. This is the deer I got. It's an 8-pointer. This is my first year doing hunting, and I managed to get this thing. Luna, leave it alone.
You didn't get it.
Yeah, I did. I got this. I shot this thing.
Did Daddy get?
I shot it. Dad didn't get one. I got one. He
Daddy
didn't.
just put all the skin off?
No, Grandpa did. But anyway, this is Lucifer's reaction to it.
He thinks it's alive.
I think he's scared of it. I think he's scared of it. You scared of it? You scared of it? I think he's scared of it.
Anyways, that's the end of our video.
But yeah, so it's the general idea. He's barking at completely nothing, as you can see. There is nothing outside, anywhere.
Except
icicles, yeah.
In snow.
So, yeah, there's like... So yeah, there's like nothing outside. But we also have my little kitten, wherever she went. If she's still over here.
No one needs to see the cat.
Well, general idea.
No one needs